everyone. Today I'm going to be making a commentary video of my Monte Carlo mini ceiling fan. This is the Monte Carlo mini because it has the Monte Carlo brand. As you can see, it's right there. And yeah, I'll tell you a little bit of a backstory about these. So let me just adjust the camera first. Alright, so in 2003, I think, all the way to 2011, these were called the Monte Carlo mini ceiling fans. And then in 2011, later in 2011, the brand got changed to the Allen & Roth brand, and this thing was called the Allen & Roth Lerland ceiling fan. And they took the Monte Carlo brand, put it up in the canopy, and said Allen & Roth. They replaced the pull chains. And if you guys don't know, these pull chains are not original. It's how I got it. I purchased this on Facebook Marketplace for $20. So, yeah, this is a 24-inch fan. The blades are the same exact color, but it's just like different designs on each side, because this is like this color, the striped color, and then there's like a what should I say, like a wood floor color, like not the color but the design. And then in in 2015 they changed the design to of the Allen & Roth Lerland to to have square brackets, and it was a 32-inch fan, not a 24-inch like this one. This is a Monte Carlo mini. And then in 2018, then the brand got changed to the Harbor Breeze Lerland ceiling fan, and it still is being sold today and goes for like $70. So, yep, here's the light. I wish they were still making these because they're very good fans, in my opinion. And it does cool this room off for 24 inches. Turn the light off. Turn on low speed. Low speed is like a high speed on the carousel too, because this thing is fast. Probably goes a little faster than that, but still, this fan is very fast. And when I got it off of Marketplace, it came with, it was complete. Came with mounting hardware, but it only came with two screws to hold up the canopy. That's no big deal because it put a down rod on it. And the best thing is, my grandpa, when he comes in, he won't like hit his hand on it or head, because the carousel is pulling the ceiling down. That's why you see the cracks, and he was hitting his head on it. Medium speed now. And I will also be showing spin down. And I'm using 2 candelabra bulbs, and they already came with this fan when I purchased it. And it's so weird how, because I think this is like pull chain extension or whatever, and these used to be upside down V pull chains that say Monte Carlo on them, but they replaced them, it looks like. High speed now. This thing flies. Warning. Are you ready for this? Makes a helicopter air whipping noise. I don't know if you could hear that. This thing is loud. Flies too. It is a powerful fan. Blows a lot of air. I'll leave the light on for a little bit. And what else should I say about this thing? Oh yeah, that's right. There is no date on the top for some reason. I don't even know what date. I don't know even the date of this thing. The random channel of ceiling fans probably knows, but I have no idea. You could click out of the video now, or you could watch spin down, and yeah. thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in another HD remake video or wherever I am. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.